What's up, everybody? Hey, y'all. It's Monday morning, and your girl got vlogs and vlogs and vlogs to do, okay? But let's talk about that later, because I still ain't updated my Thanksgiving little vlog. And one thing I've been telling myself is I'm gonna be consistent. Every day I'm gonna post something. I don't even care. So yeah, today's video is going to be a video on some tips on to how become an influencer, how to become an influencer, or how to become a content creator, because I believe the first tip is you first have to start as a content creator and you have to learn about who you want to influence or who your audience is. So it first starts there. And it first starts at, downloading the platforms you want to be on. And I would say first, something that you enjoy, that you know that you like to do, that doesn't feel like more work. So say for instance, me, I had started doing like makeup tutorials and different things like that, but it don't make sense. I don't do makeup that much. Like, even when I go out, like, I do a light makeup, but I don't even know how many people enjoy that. And then my makeup half the time be looking trash, right? So I be started freaking out. People send me these products and I gotta do this makeup. And I'm really not a real makeup girly. Like, I really enjoy doing my hair. So if y'all don't know, I did hair for 15 years or more when I was younger, before college, and I got out of it after college. And once I had my job or career for Peloton, I started thinking, like, I don't really want to work for nobody. Like, that was the most freedom I had in any job or career that I was in. But I still didn't want to work for somebody. Every time I went to the office, I felt like contained and I felt like stressed out, like the walls was closing in on me. So I started back doing my friend's hair. I did one of my girls' hair when I went to Atlanta, and I'm like, dang, like, I forgot I knew how to do hair, like my God-given talent. So one, like, start thinking about your God-given talents, like something that's just easy, something that you enjoy doing, that you don't mind doing in your free time, or something that you already have to do. So like, if you're a mom, you cleaning up, or you can do toddler content, like you already cleaning, you gotta clean. So why don't you record it? And it do take time to get used to that. Like, when I first started, I started like, it's levels to comfortability. So I started with like recording my videos, and I would have music behind it, and I would try to speed it up because I wasn't really comfortable talking to the camera. And even now, like, this is like one of my first videos just coming on here, and I'm trying to talk and just upload it as it is, right? So like, it takes time and gradually, but you don't want to make that stop you or hinder you. You just take little small steps, and then eventually you'll get to that spot. So like, I started like doing my hair, and I wouldn't even edit it for real because I didn't know how to edit. So I started doing my hair content, and I speed it up and put little viral songs on it. So then you'll get feedback, like, so I'll post it on TikTok. People liked it on TikTok. I post it on YouTube. I'll probably get more comments on the music type because they say, oh, your hairstyles will help younger people, and the music was really vulgar. So I was like, okay, like maybe I do voiceovers, but I wasn't comfortable hearing myself speak on camera. So I would use the little voice on TikTok that like changed your voice, and then like it make like an influencer voice or whatever. And I did that, and I was like, oh, like this is what people want to see. So you first, and then next you have to learn like your platforms to know what everybody wants. So I would say on TikTok really wants to know in depth. They want to know who you are. They want you to get real with them. Like, listen, I got this product. Let's try it out. Let's see how you like it. And then you try to form your audience around there. You can't do too many niches because people get so confused. Like, oh, I follow this girl for this, and she's posting this. Like, once they like you and love you and you build up a good significant following, yeah, they're gonna learn about like different things. But until they know you for one thing, I would say stay focused and concentrated on that one thing. Like, position your camera in a spot where you don't even have to move it, or you can always sit at it. So I have like a desk that I always sit at, or you find like a background where it's not too much clutter. It's really clean and concise. Like, you can see me, and you can see, like, if I was to make a picture, like if I was to do a video, I probably would like choose this wall, boom. And then my head is here, so you don't really have much to look out in the background, not really much distractions. Like, say that's gone, this is gone, and then boom. So you show what you about to do, and you want to get their attention like in the first 5 seconds. So you want to chop the video up in a way that you're one, taking out all the extra pieces. So like, say I'm curling my hair, I'm flat ironing my hair, I gotta put the flat iron down, I have to take the comb, I have to part my hair, I have to put my hair back up in a ponytail, I have to take it out again to grab the flat iron. All that stuff they don't need to see. You can cut all the extras out and just give them the juicy pieces. Like, give them everything they want to see. So instead of showing me take my hair out the piece, I might do that on one clip, but the rest of the clips I'm literally just flat iron my hair. And it's like I never did anything. Like, how did she part her hair? Like, you don't need to see that. You know I parted my hair because I showed you the first time. So then for the first 5 seconds, you might give them a quick clip of what the video is about. Like, my hair is nappy from the beginning, I might show them it nappy, then me washing it, then me flat ironing it like a piece, and then boom, it's the beginning of the video, and I'm saying, hello, how are you? Like, welcome to, or you talking about what you're talking about. And then you can give stories too. Like, I'm getting to learn how story time is effective, because regardless of what you're doing on a video, people are going to listen if it's a good story. So you can use your own stories if you don't want to get too personal. My little sister said I should go on Reddit and tell those stories, because at the end of the day, you're just bringing a lot of information to people that aren't watching it already and want to learn. So like, sometimes I find blog posts and things online that, dang, this helped me, this might help someone else, and everyone's not searching these things like on Yahoo or on Google, so you can show them for them. So your niche, you find one solid thing you want to do, just up until you get enough followers where they're like, okay, I know her for skincare, and you showed enough skincare videos, and they start asking you questions. And then when they ask you questions, or they might say, hey, can you give me a get ready video? And then you answer that comment with the video. So if you get a viral video, your video goes viral, you just want to start answering those comments on TikTok. TikTok literally makes those other videos go viral, and it helps bring people to you because they feel like, okay, she's real. She's actually looking at what people have to say. She's answering questions in the comments. She's like building a community. Like, they feel that, like, okay, you're not just posting and not even caring and just keep posting. And then on, I would say on Instagram, you could speed up the video that you put on TikTok and give them little good pieces. And you can always tell them, hey, you want to see longer version, go to TikTok. Or if you want to see long form video, go to YouTube. YouTube is like the longest videos you can do. Or you can do shorts just like TikTok, but the long form, this is how I would say edit it. Like, make a long form video, and then you cut out the little pieces like ands and buts and whys and ums, you know, cut that out for YouTube so it can still be good. You might put some little edits on it or whatever to keep people entertained. And then you take that video, you chop it up a little bit more, and you put it on TikTok. Then you take that video, you chop it a little bit more, and you put it on Instagram. And then you put that same video on Instagram and Facebook, or you chop it up even more, because Facebook, you don't even need to put a lot. Like on Facebook, all you need is the captions to be a little longer. So once you learn that, you can start playing with it. So even right now, at the point I'm in, I'm still putting all the same content on different platforms. But as I'm learning, I'm like, okay, like maybe like on my Instagram, you know, I do hair tutorials. On my Instagram, I can just put the before and after, like a transition, and then say, hey, if you'd like to see the full tutorial, go to my YouTube channel. And that's how I'm like sending my people over to Instagram to YouTube. And then on YouTube, I'll have a longer form video, and I'll have a quick short video just to get people on YouTube interested to see, oh dang, this is funny, or if this is good, I might want to watch the whole thing. So like, those are the few tips. I don't know if that was confusing, if it was too fast, but yeah, like, it takes time. Like with anything, it's gonna be consistency. And I know y'all probably hear 1,000 videos like that, but it is literally honest and true, because before you start something, you don't really know what you're gonna end up doing, but you have to start it to know. Like, at first I thought I just wanted to do lifestyle, and I want to do travel content, and I want to do this, and I want to do that. Honestly, when I upload my travel content, people could care less, because guess what? It's probably other people traveling way more. It's probably other people that really do their research and enjoy it, and they know so much and what they did and how they did it, and able to articulate it to their audience in a way. I know hair for real. Like, I've been doing my hair my whole life. My grandma was a hairstylist. My aunts are hairstylists. I love doing hair. So it was like, it's like second nature when I talk about it, when I love it, when I do it. They can see it in my hair, the way I take care of it. So you have to find that one thing that's really just going to help you solidify your audience and people that you can actually help and inspire, if that's what you want to do. And then that, from there, is how you become an influencer, because now you're influencing people to be like, hey, like, I really love this, or I enjoy this, or this is something I resonate with. Like, I was looking for my community and I found it, because everybody wants a community and something that they can go to and ask questions and pick topics off of. So I really hope this helps. My time is running out, and I really wanted to be under 10 minutes, but I will come back and make more videos on top of being an influencer, because there is a lot of different things you have to set up, like Amazon storefront and like just go on these different platforms to get brand deals and do like that. Or they'll also find you on ways to set up your bio so it can look interesting to like brands. But I also am an entrepreneur, so I'm gonna be giving you guys some tips and tricks on that too. So this is my first video. Don't be too hard on me. Let me know how I like it, if I missed anything or if I was too fast.